started. I'm going to start by opening these heavy-duty straps and tape that it came with while it's still in an upright position. Oh good, it cuts. I bet you're wishing this was a time lapse. I don't know which way it's supposed to open. I'm just going to start cutting stuff. Ah. The beast is exposed. All right, cutting strap number 2. Once this is open, I'm going to lay it down so we can both see what's going on. All right, so look at that. We have the thing opened up. So now I'm going to lay it down, probably flip the camera to the other side of my mobile device, and we can see what's going on together. All right, let's put this down on the floor. Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh. Good thing it's durable, right? All right, let's see what we got here. Styrofoam. All right, opening bubble wrap. All right, what we got here? We've got, looks like installation hardware. Yep, looks like we've got straps for the fridge and some sort of drawer handles, slide handles, and some bolting hardware, mounting hardware. Good. All right, just making sure we're still in frame here. We've got, ooh, what is this? My favorite. We've got a sticker, yes. You know how much I love putting on stickers. And the instruction manual. I won't be doing the install this time. That will actually be for a dedicated video that I do later, just on the installation and the usage of this drawer system and fridge slide. Today is just the cultural phenomenon known as unboxing. All right, so here's one side of it. This thing is colossal. By the way, for those of you who don't know, the shipping weight of this is 94 pounds. So look at that. That is one. I don't even know how this works yet. I have to read the instruction manual. But look at this. This is one side of the drawer system. Beefy. Nice. Solid. All right, let's go to the other side now. Too much bubble wrap. It's the soft kind though, so it doesn't pop when you squeeze it. No fun bubble wrap. Gotta clean up afterwards. This is an environmental disaster. Gotta leave no trace. All right, get that out of the way. All right, here's the second drawer slide. Let's make sure we're still in frame here. Look at that. Drawer side number 2. All right, so one of these is going to hold a fridge. One of them is going to hold extra cargo. And man, these things are solidly built. So my goal is to get these 2 things installed in the back of my Jeep right here. Right now my Jeep is still a little bit of a mess, so we're going to take all that's in here and we're going to put it on those drawer slides, put it on those drawers and that fridge slide, and then we're going to have a really nice, compact, neat, and dedicated system for overlanding. So we've got my Dometic fridge, we've got Miso's travel litter box. How many Jeeps you know who have a travel litter box in the back? We've got a bunch of recovery gear, bear spray, fire extinguisher, and more recovery gear. And we're going to see how much of this will be able to fit inside the drawer system and fridge slide. All right, that's it for this